The rain recovers. Hide it under my thing. What? What I'm gonna go we're in Dominos. I'm gonna clean my phone and do a video called waiting for Dominos.
So you know I'm looking higher on my computer.
Oh God! I'm going to continue this until we get to the gang. Until we get to Dominos, and after that I'm going to.
I was gonna say, Subway.
No. What we'll do, right? We'll try and buy a really cheap pizza, and if we've got enough, you'll buy 12 cookies from Subway.
Subway's cold.
Oh fuck yeah, it is. Shut to 10. If they don't sell any pizza now, then we'll go to Hungry Horse or Wetherspoons and I'll buy you a lemonade swing. After me buying it, obviously, because you know.
No, I'm not gonna be allowed in Hungry Horse.
Why? Yes, you're 11, but you're with a 17-year-old, so you should be okay. See, I look like a grown man, I look like a tramp, which means tramps are golden, don't they? So.
In the mount, you weren't even allowed in with Mommy there.
Yeah, that's like midnight. So midnight now.
Yeah,